Hello, welcome to Emotions and Essential Oils and how to use citrus bloom to naturally address emotions. Have you ever found yourself feeling stuck in the past, stagnant, guilty, remorseful, or immobilized? In this video, you'll learn the positive properties and the negative emotions that this precious oil, citrus bloom, impacts. Plus, I'll share 3 tips on how to use this oil topically for transformation. Stick around to the end to learn how to access my free guide. If you're new to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit below the subscribe button. That way, you'll get notified when my next insightful video is released. My name is Allie Van Zee. I'm a mother, registered nurse, certified body talk practitioner, as well as a certified essential emotions coach and impact advocate. I have been educating others on essential oils for 11 plus years now, and I've been in the healthcare industry for over 30 years. This is one of my absolutely favorite blends, and I am here to create an impact. I help people to become emotionally, physically, and financially self-reliant and thriving. That's why I'm excited to be teaching you about citrus bloom today. Pure, unadulterated oils reprogram the unconscious mind. Oils impact your chemistry, which powerfully shifts the wiring of your brain. When you mix chemistry, you change chemistry. In this video, we're going to talk about emotions and essential oils, specifically how to use citrus bloom to support and process emotions naturally. Remember, be sure to stick around to the end and you'll have the chance to download my free tool. Let's jump in, shall we? Get your seatbelts on, here we go. What I'm about to share with you in this next description, or some people refer to as a resume per se, and I love this. Let me just add a side note. I love this Essential Emotions reference guide. I use it daily. And what it reads in here about citrus bloom is that citrus bloom is the blend of new beginnings. In each individual's life, there is a time when the previous chapter comes to a close and a new one is about to begin. This blend is an ally during the transition phase, where what is about to emerge still remains unseen. The combination of essential oils in this blend are wonderful for clearing stagnant energies, which are keeping individuals immobilized. It also encourages them to accept where they've come from and see the necessity of their previous experiences. It reminds that while one can always learn from their past mistakes, an abundance of compassion is essential while processing regret. Citrus bloom inspires excitement for new possibilities, as every new road is an opportunity to discover new parts of the self and embrace adventure. This blend teaches joy in the journey. It invites individuals to live the life they feel called to live and pursue the passions that make them come alive. Citrus bloom encourages individuals to really listen to themselves and honor the messages received. Its bright, optimistic energy lifts individuals when they feel it's time to start anew. It invites them to trust there is a purpose in each step they take and to believe in the promise of each new dawn. The negative emotions that citrus bloom is great at addressing include stagnant, immobilized, remorseful, guilty, or stuck in the past. While the positive properties of citrus bloom include metamorphosis, adventurous, excited, and joyful. Now, here are the 3 tips as to where to apply this oil topically for transformation. One spot is around the navel, right on the bare skin, of course, or over the heart and on the wrist. And of course, you can always place this beautiful citrus bloom blend into your favorite diffuser so that you can breathe it in and have that an uplifting feel as you enter the room. Please comment below on who you think that this could be the perfect gift for, and consider sharing this video with them. Take care till the next time.